Zoom H1N. The H1N's XY microphones capture high-quality stereo sound supporting up to 24-bit audio at sampling rates of 44.1, 48, 96 kHz and WAV in various MP3 formats. One-touch button controls make it simple to record songs, audio for film, lectures, podcasting, and more. And its new monochromatic 1.25 LCD display is easy to read even in the brightest lighting conditions. The new H1N is the ultimate take-anywhere recorder for every creator's gear bag. An advanced onboard limiter offers a distortion-free signal up to 120 dB, cleanly recording the loudest of bands. A 3.5mm mic line input lets you connect an external microphone or music player, while a 3.5mm headphone line output lets you connect your favorite headphones or small external speakers. A low-cut filter also helps eliminate pops and unwanted low-frequency rumble. The pocket-sized device runs on two AAA batteries, providing up to 10 hours of continuous operation. The unit records audio to microSD or microSD HC flash memory cards supporting capacities up to 32 GB. The Zoom H1N comes with free download licenses for Steinberg's Cubase LE music production software and Wavelab LE audio editing software.